Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the circuit without cutting off the power to the whole house. I have one of these Southwire tracers. Basically, all you do is you plug it in to the existing outlet. It has power, obviously. Then we have this tool, and you're going to rub this on the electric panel over the circuit breakers, and you're going to go over it till it lights green, and then you'll have the right circuit, and then you can turn it off at the panel and cutting off this circuit only and not the whole house. So when you have homeowners home and you don't want to disturb what they're doing, they may be working or teleworking from home, you don't want to cut off power to the whole house. It'll drive them crazy. So if you get a chance, get one of these. These are amazing. So I'll leave a link in the description below. You can get these off of Amazon, and well worth its weight in gold. Okay, so anyhow, so we're gonna go check it out right now. So let's go out to the panel.
And before I get electrocuted, be sure to hit that like button. It's free, and this way it helps the YouTube algorithm. Thanks guys, appreciate your support.
Okay, so here's our panel. This does not want to stick. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna rub this like so on both sides to see what circuit lights up. So you just want to hit the on button. Okay. You got a red beeping light going. So just double checking everything here. So it's saying it's this one. Let's just double check. Okay, see how it lights green? So I just hit this one and it knocked it out. Now let's go see what it does. Okay, so our circuit breaker finder told us what circuit it was, so we turned it off. Now we don't have power to this at all. Just to double check it, I even put this tester in there. We're good. The light's off, so you know that you're safe to work. So again, this is very helpful when doing small little electrical jobs for your homeowners, because it doesn't disrupt anything. So anyhow, a really good tool to use. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you guys like this video and the information I provided on this special tool, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tool review. Vinny the Handyman signing out.